Want to start making money from home in 2025, but you're broke, overwhelmed, and don't know where to start? You're not alone. The truth is, you don't need money. You need tools and execution. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools you can use 100% free to build income from home, starting today. Let's go. 1. ChatGPT. Use it to write YouTube scripts, blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, and even e-books. Prompt idea. Write a product review blog for Amazon affiliate. You can sell this content, post it online, or use it to fuel other businesses. 2. Canva AI. Magic design. Use Canva's AI to create social media graphics, thumbnails, e-book covers, and product templates. You can sell these on Etsy or Fiverr, or use them for your own brand. Free version offers plenty to start. 3. Pictory. Create faceless YouTube videos from your scripts using stock visuals, text-to-video AI. Perfect for content creators who want to stay behind the scenes and still earn through views and affiliate links. 4. ElevenLabs. Free tier. Convert your scripts into realistic American accented voiceovers. Offer it as a service, or use it in your own content. It's perfect for YouTube, audiobooks, and even sales videos. 5. Notion AI. Organize your business, create content calendars, automate research, and generate marketing ideas. Use it to plan, document, and track your hustle, all in one dashboard. Here's what most people get wrong. They wait to learn everything, instead of starting with something. These tools are 100% free. Your ideas and consistency are the only things missing. Start small, stay sharp, build momentum. Want to go deeper? Watch my video on how to build a faceless YouTube channel with free AI tools. It's linked on the end screen. Subscribe to NextGen Hustle, because excuses don't build income. Let's get to work.